Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Google Nest Hub routines and dashboard preferences. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Google Nest Hub routines and dashboard preferences, start by ensuring open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account linked to your Nest Hub. On the main screen, locate and tap on your Nest Hub device. Once the device screen opens, find and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to the More section. Tap on Routines. Here, you will see a list of your existing routines. If you need to restore a routine, check the options available for your routines. To create a new routine, tap the plus icon. Enter the name of your routine according to your preferences. Select the trigger for your routine, such as a specific voice command or time. Next, choose the actions you want your routine to perform. You can add actions like controlling smart devices, playing music, or adjusting settings. After completing your routine setup, make sure to save your changes. Now, return to the main settings of your Nest Hub. Scroll down to find the dashboard settings. Here, you can adjust the layout and preferences of your dashboard. You may customize the displayed cards and shortcuts according to your needs. Once you've made your desired adjustments, be sure to save. To verify everything is set correctly, simply say, "Hey Google, talk to my routines." This will help you check if the routines are functioning properly. Congratulations, you've successfully restored and customized your Google Nest Hub routines and dashboard preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.